Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. Those of you who followed the guide how to install SMTube on your old laptop such as this one, some of you might have run into an error saying that you need to use a personal API key. Yeah, you kind of have to do that now with SMTube. You didn't at the time I made that video, like 2 weeks ago or something, but now you do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a personal API key that you can use and just put it in SMTube. If you guys don't want to do that, or it's really easy, but if you think this is too complicated for you or you just don't want to do it, I do have a Public JPT API Key down in the description that you can use if you want to use that instead of making your own API key. But just so you know, it's also shared with whoever else decides to use it on Just Plain Tech. So, yeah, that'll work for, these API keys, even the JPT one will work for anything on YouTube, to watch anything on YouTube on SMTube. But if you want it to be synced with your personal stuff, then I would make a personal one. If you don't mind sharing it with other people, then just use the JPT one I have in the description. Anyway, with that being said, let's do this. Alright, so if you had any problems running SMTube previously, that should have fixed them. Hopefully that did the job for you. However, if you're still having problems, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll try and help you out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.